An SKSpriteNode is a node that is able to draw graphical content. This can be anything, from a texture to an image or simply a colored object. Technically speaking, a texture would be an image in this case, but a certain kind of image that we are able to color. Sprites are building blocks that we use to build most of our scene, which is why it is important to know how to work with them before you start looking at the other node classes, since we don't use them as much, and sometimes we don't even need those classes at all. In most cases, we're going to use SKSpriteNodes with texture, since they will give us proper graphics in our game. These graphics can be anything, from a background image to a button, or even our main character. SKSpriteNode is a subclass of SKNode. And this means that we can add children to SKSpriteNode as well, to further extend our hierarchy with visual elements. Since children are being positioned within the coordinate system of their parent node, it is incredibly helpful, since it will allow us to build complex graphical elements rather easily by using multiple SKSpriteNodes and positioning them within each other. There are a few ways to initialize or manipulate a SKSpriteNode, and we'll have a look at them shortly. This will also teach us how different children and parent nodes behave compared to each other, and how they can be positioned within their respective coordinate system.